Hello everyone. Let's make another new recipe. It's going to be rotis. Yeah, rice rotis, and this roti has specially brought you by my mother. Yes, she's so cute and she made these rotis with lot of love. This is a rice roti and I will be sharing you the recipe. It's very delicious, very soft, as you can see that softness here. It's so soft and fluffy and it's very easy. So let's make a recipe together. So first what we have to do is we have to grind these ingredients masala. So what are those? Curry leaves, jeera, chili and cabbage. Four items are there and you have to grind it. So see the measurement how much you want. I'm showing here approximately. So grind that and put that masala paste to a pan or a bowl or a kadai, and you can add some more water also. See how much rotis you want, that much water you have to add. So approximately, if you take the paste full measurement, the if that is 1 cup, then go for 2 cups of rice flour. So that afterwards, if you feel like adding some more flour, you can add it anytime. Okay. Add some salt and close the lid. Let it boil. See, now it's boiling, right? So now we can add rice flour in the center. Okay, then we will leave it for a while, and remember the gas should be in a low flame. So we will place this in a center, and we will leave for 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute is enough. Then you can take one spoon or spatula or something. Then you have to mix it. Then after mixing, you can just switch off the gas. That's it. So after close the lid for a while. After mixing everything, close the lid for a while. Then again you have to mix it properly with the spoon. So our dough is ready, roti dough, and take some amount of dough and make rolls like this, ball kind of thing. So each ball will give you one each roti. Okay, so you can make rotis by using rolling pin. With You can put some dust and you can use the rolling pin. But my mom is using here pressing machine. You can use that also, and you can use the parchment sheet. She's using plastic, please ignore that. Don't use plastic. You can go for a parchment sheet or anything like a banana leaf. Those thing is also good. So if it is stucking somewhere, like, you can just apply little like cold press oil or something, but don't use oil. Only it should not stick, for that only we are using. Or else you can even dust this rice flour, then that also it won't stuck. So this is tricks, that's it. Not, we should not use the oil and all. It's not good for us, right? So please avoid that thing. Transfer this roti to hot tawa. So just roast it without oil. And meanwhile my mom is making another one. Actually it's very easy, pressing machine. If you have a parchment sheet or something. So lifting this roti, check that if it's not coming properly, then you have to wait for a while again. Because once it's roasted down, then only that roti will come out. So if you try at the beginning, then your roti might tear it. So wait for a while, then you flip it over. So believe me, it's very soft. Actually it's so softy kind of thing. Roti, if you keep that in your mouth, like, you can see it literally, it's melting in your mouth. Because why, we have added one vegetable to this, right? So instead of cabbage, you can add any other vegetables also. Feel free to add any other vegetable. That is also like, it gives different taste. You can just try it out. Adding today if you add cabbage, next day you add another vegetable like carrot or beetroot, or so many vegetables are there. You can use it any vegetable. Just grind it with the masala, same masala, and just do it the same method. Jeera, chili, salt, right? Curry leaves. You can skip some ingredient if you want. Okay, so she's doing the same method for every rotis and all. So make sure that you are eating this roti with a lot of sabji, right? And
like we if we eat grains have taken one part, that should be a 30%, and 75% should be vegetables. So one vegetable we have added here already. So this 2 cups of vegetables of gravy or a sabji you can have with that. So this is a very nice recipe. You can try it out. It's going to be very delicious, awesome, super softy, spongy. Try it out. And she made these rotis for Satvic gathering party. It was a small party get together, and there were a few members only, few Satvic people, and they came. They had this potluck, and she got this rotis and beetroot sabzi, and everybody enjoyed it, and everybody loved it. They all liked it. The roti was so soft and smooth. It was so delicious. And yes, you will also will love this recipe, but you have to give it a try, and please let us know how it turned out. Okay, thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Shishikala. I am Sapna's mother. Thank you for watching video. Thank you once again.